So the OnePlus is likely done with its quota of flagship launches for this year. What it means is that the next OnePlus flagship is due in 2022. The OnePlus 10 Pro may arrive somewhere in the first half of 2022, but leaks around the same have begun to pop up already. In a fresh leak, alleged renders of the OnePlus 10 Pro have been revealed. The renders showcase a distinct-looking rear camera module that bends into the frame. The camera island appears to be holding a triple rear camera system with an LED flash. It's easy to predict that the OnePlus 10 Pro will ship with top-of-the-line hardware. According to a report, the OnePlus 10 Pro will feature a 6.7-inch LTPO AMOLED display with support for a 120Hz high refresh rate. The rumored Snapdragon 898 chipset may power it. In addition, the OnePlus 10 Pro will feature Hasselblad cameras as part of the long partnership. Along with that, we may see improvement in battery life and fast charging on the OnePlus 10 Pro. While that was a brief introduction of the rumored OnePlus 10 Pro, we have more details to share with you, so let's get started. Coming to OnePlus 10 Pro specs and features, the OnePlus 10 Pro will be one of the biggest flagships to arrive in the Android landscape next year. The smartphone is expected to arrive in the first half of 2022. Popular leaker OnLeaks has revealed the design of the OnePlus 10 Pro already. The OnePlus 10 Pro will sport a huge rectangular camera module on the rear which bends into the frame if the renders are true. The design of the camera island is slightly similar to what we have seen on the S21 series of phones. The renders reveal a triple rear camera setup on the OnePlus 10 Pro. There's a OnePlus logo on the back panel. On the left, it gets an alert slider and a power button. It is said that the OnePlus 10 Pro will have a metal finish. The renders showcase just a single matte black color model, but we expect to see more options during the launch. Front panel of the OnePlus 10 Pro wasn't revealed in the leak, but we are guessing that the smartphone will sport a punch hole display. The leak is based on real pictures of early prototypes, so it's possible that we may see a completely different design, unlike what we see in these renders. Like the current lineup, we expect to see 3 smartphones: OnePlus 10, OnePlus 10 Pro and OnePlus 10R. The OnePlus 10 Pro is tipped to feature a 6.7-inch LTPO AMOLED panel with a 120Hz high refresh rate. The display is said to have a resolution of 1440x3216 pixels and a pixel density of 526 ppi. It will be powered by Qualcomm's next-gen flagship chipset, which is likely Snapdragon 898. The OnePlus 10 is tipped to get up to 8GB RAM and 128GB of storage, while the top-end model is expected to get up to 12GB RAM and 256GB of storage. The most significant change could take place on the camera front. The Hasselblad-powered OnePlus 9 cameras have set a high benchmark for the upcoming OnePlus smartphones. So it will be interesting to see what OnePlus does to improve the camera system on the OnePlus 10 Pro. There won't be a telephoto lens on the OnePlus 10 Pro from what we see on these renders. Other camera details of the smartphone are currently unknown, but we can expect camera hardware upgrades and new exclusive camera features. It's worth noting that the OnePlus 10 Pro will be the first big device post the merger of OnePlus and Oppo. Also, the upcoming smartphone will adopt the unified OS developed by the fusion of Color OS and Oxygen OS. Reports suggest that OnePlus is done with its flagship launches for this year, so we can expect the OnePlus 10 Pro in 2022. It is believed that the smartphone will make way during the same time as the OnePlus 9 next year, which could be March 2022. For now, this is pretty much all the information that we could gather surrounding upcoming OnePlus series, but we will make sure to keep you posted on the same. Please do subscribe to our YouTube channel to get instant news updates and in-depth reviews of the devices.